Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to check save password on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you have previously saved your password to your Google account, such as Facebook password or another account password, so don't need to be worried. If you want to see the password that you have saved before, you can do it easily. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to Google Chrome, and then now you can click on the three dot on the right top, and then now you can go to settings, and then after that now you can go to Google Password Manager. So yeah, you will find your password here and you can use save password on any device. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.